Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Windows 10 computer. So let's go on down to the search menu right here, and then simply type in time. And then go to best matches, change the date and time, system settings, and open this up. Now we'll be brought under this page, where we can change the time. Now on the top, it's set time automatically. What we can do is uncheck mark this and then go to set the date and time manually and change this, and this window will appear where we can manually enter in the specific date and time and then go to change. Now I'm going to leave this on set time automatically so it changes by itself. Then you can go to sync now, then show additional calendars in the task menu. Then we have language and region window, and some apps format dates and time based on your region, so you can select that. Then you can go to additional clock settings right here and then choose this. Then if you go on over to date and time right here, you can change the date and time, then the specific time zone right here as well. So go through this menu right here and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.